Hello and welcome back to Project Duck. That is the Kawasaki ZXR400. And today it's time to get the panels back on because they've been painted and get the graphics on. So let's roll the intro and get cracking.
Crack.
And there you go, there it is done. Apart from another couple of little bits that I want to do. I've got a tank pad arriving and a couple of stickers here to go on the back, or I might put them down there, haven't decided yet. So there's only another couple of bits to go on, and the tank pad, and I want to go around and do a little bit of touching up on nuts and bolts and stuff like that, so replacing some nuts and bolts, rusty ones, for some nice clean ones. But other than that, the bike is complete and it runs lovely. But that's going to be coming in the ride video, so watch out for that in the future. But there you go, what do you think? Again, if you don't like it, I don't care, because I do. The purple and orange looks fantastic. Now, there is one thing that's bugging me. Unfortunately, I had to choose Hyundai colours. But I went through a massive list of colours, and the purple I liked and the bronze I liked were both Hyundai colours. Now, the other dilemma is that I love this purple, and this is probably the purple I'm going to put on the Mach 1 Mustang, but with the bronze flecking. So that means, instead of going for the Cadbury's purple with added black and the bronze, I might be putting a Hyundai colour on a Ford Mustang. That's something I'm struggling with. But anyway, back to the Kawasaki. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you don't like it, I don't care. But if you do, I also do care. But doesn't matter, is what I want to say. I like it. It's a Kawasaki ZXR400 that was not original in the first place. It was all yellow and black, and they didn't do a yellow and black bike. So I've gone for a colour scheme that I like. It's not a bike I'm going to get rid of. It's a bike I'm going to keep, so I've done it how I like it. And I'm really pleased with the outcome. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back next time with another bike review. Not sure what yet, but there's something coming up quite soon. And I've got another couple of reviews on some car dash cams as well coming up, so stay tuned for that. And lots of other stuff as well. So until next time, please ride and drive carefully, but have fun. Bye-bye.